back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing. Today's gonna be a vlog about our whole beach day, and I'm sorry we couldn't do it earlier. Like, oh my gosh, it's so sad. But Maddie's doing sandcastles.
But you have one open.
Maddie went under the water like 7 times, and like I'm like, oh my god, like, oh my god. Everybody, I'm just laying on my beach.
Oh, but my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Havana,
Y'all was the only people out there, the whole line. I don't even see no people down there where they live at.
So we're about to go and see this trench they made. Oh, this is our grandma. And we're just trying to see this trench that this man.
The bulldozer was doing this about.
Hey, you gotta get your end.
Okay. Guys, okay.
Come here.
Okay, hold on.
Parents.
Get your feet out.
Come on.
I can't.
They gotta come back out again. Or they go back in.
Oh my gosh,
Okay,
my feet were
come
so
on. They were
warm
like
right
that.
there. Look at her feet. They're like stuck. I can't even move it. Oh my gosh. Yours is hard. It goes like right around it. I can't even move my feet without making it mess up.
He keep popping.
Oh my nice tail. Come here.
What is it? I cannot.
At
That means getting
first,
up,
you guys,
doesn't it?
I was like getting in the water, and
Not yet.
but like I can't really record me in the water because it's not waterproof. But y'all know that like my swimsuit is so cute.
Sandcastle, you got to go further where it's
Spit on
wet.
your chin, right? You gotta spit on
Why
your
you gotta
chin.
spit on your head? Daddy, I told you. Wipe your mouth. You got spit hanging off your chin.
Still?
Oh, right.
Ah! Maddie, stop it!
With a season behind.